So let us see what do we have here for you guys today. But for some reason, no, the temperature inside this room, lovey-dovey. Alam mo yung taste ng parang nalalasahan ko, somewhat sweet, like nakakalig or nakakakiliting sweetness here. Let me see why. Baka naman langgamin ka dyan. Let us see. Is there a sweet guy right here or a sweet woman coming your way? Let me see. Okay. Ay, wow. Eight of Cups, Five of Candles, Knight of Kills. Look at that, you know. Hmm. May humahabol dito, oh. On the right corner. Weighing 2 pounds, you know. Naku, tingnan natin, no. Okay. Kung gumesa. Okay, ang sinabi ko mga babes, no, masyado ako naiintigahan dyan. Okay. Like super curious. We have the Hangguan. Four of Candles. Intriguing. Eight of Coins. Wow. Ace of Cups. Maiden of Cups. Four of Cups. Definitely someone you know already or someone that you have met in a party or sa isang gathering or sa kita-kita kahit simpleng usap lang kahit nakasalubong mo yung friend at siya yung kasama ng friend mo or ng family member mo dito may relatives din kasi okay na involved so just take only what resonates pwedeng nakilala mo rin siya because of your work there's a group or there's a crowd of people okay. Ten of Candles. Okay, unahan ko na kayo. This is not your ex right in here. Hermit. Wow. This person, ang kanyang inspiration, no, kahit marami siya ditong mga kinakaharap ng mga problema, especially when it comes to his or her personal life, ang nagiging inspirasyon niya ay ang kanyang family, no? Ang kanyang mom especially, no? Ang kanyang mga magulang, kanya rito, no, na mga kapatid, no, loved ones niya sa life, especially his or her family. And, okay, yung pinaka-tinutumbok nito sa nakikita ko, Six of Cups, The Lovers, kakaloka yung ating Five of ano dun Five of Candles dun. Ba't ano yun, miss yan? Sorry daw, kasi hindi ka na niya pwedeng pakawalan ngayon. Bakit, bakit, bakit? Eight of Cups, Knight of Cups energy. Dahil mahal ka na niya. Wow! See, look at that. And the Four of Wands, kaya pala andyan yan sa gitna or sentro ng ating reading because this person here, you are meant for each other. Yeah, in other words, you are meant to be together. Okay? Nakita ko na meron dito mga taong konektado na sa inyo no bago pa kayo nagkakilala. So it could be a friend of yours, or it could be a relative or someone na kilala na ng isa sa mga malapit sa buhay mo. Definitely, it's not someone who happens to be your ex. It is someone na nakikita kong hindi pa kayo nagkakaroon ng love history or relationship dito. Okay? So, you will start as friends. Yun nakikita natin dito. And this person here, lalalim yung feelings niya sa'yo up until this person here cannot let you go. Okay? So, whoever this energy is, no, there is a trigger point dito. Okay? Nakikita ko ni iba sa inyo, wala pa, as in wala pang nangyayari ditong malalim na feelings and emotions, wala pang koneksyon na matatawag natin ditong crush ka na crush mo siya, wala pang gano'n, okey? Pero dito nakikita ko 'no, na mapapalapit siya sa'yo. Okay, you will start as friends 'no, and nakikita ko rito 'no, puwedeng once na may manligaw sa'yo or magparating or magpahaging ng feelings and emotions sa'yo, dun na po magsisimula yung lahat. That will be the trigger of it all. It will begin doon. Yun, 'di ba? Suot, eh. How was it 'no, na meron ditong person 'no, na sorry na lang daw ikaw, pero hindi na kita puwedeng pakawalan dahil in love na ako sa'yo. Ay, 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 ay. So, bago natin 'no, pag-usapan pa ito more, batiin muna natin everybody. Hi and hello there everyone, my name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning Eastern buyers ko, maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. Kung di niyo alam, meron tayong main channel ang The High Priestess. Ang link niyan down below sa ating description box. If interesado, hindi lamang mga collective readings ang nandoon, kundi reading per zodiac sign din. Doon niyo rin yun matatagpuan. Hanapin niyo lang mga babes, bros lang. At yun nga wala tayong gender dito babae, lalaki, LGBT, pwedeng i-switch ang mga roles dahil possible po yung magkapalit dahil general reading ito. And at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na free mong gamitin anytime, anywhere. Okay? At timeless tayo dito. You can also watch other na mga video readings kahit super tagal ng uploaded nun. Kasi when we say timeless, no, kapag tagpuan mo yun, kahit na ilang siglo pag naka-upload yan dyan. Kung tinatawag ang atensyon mo, din yun pa lang ang tamang time para malaman mo yung mga nakapaloob na mensahe doon. Okay? So, yun nga, no? So, nakikita natin dito, someone here ay, naku, in love sa'yo or talagang meant to being ma-in love sa'yo. Well, again, Four of Wands, no, ay energy ng someone na meant to be mo. So, siya kasi yung ka-meant to be mo, no? So, nakikita natin dito kahit na anong mangyari, siya yung makakatuluyan mo. Okay, pero hindi ngayon alam, hindi mo rin 'yun alam 'no, at lahat ng mga sitwasyon na mangyayari rito 'no, ay parte ng plano ni God himself or others call it universe 'no, sa inyong, love story or sa buhay ninyong dalawa. Okay, so nakita natin dito that with the Hanged Man, itong tao na 'to 'no, ay someone na sa kanya importante lahat, mapa-small na detalye, mapa-malaking detalye 'no, parehas may importansya, okay. That's why this person here nagagawa niya rito yung mga bagay-bagay, nakakapagdesisyon siya ng maayos kasi hindi niya tinuturing na wala lang yung mga small details 'no, kundi tinuturing niya rin na importante yung mga small details, just like how important yung pagturing niya sa mga big details 'no. So, it is kahit saang area ng kanyang life na whether it's, money area, whether it's personal life niya, or whether it's the whole general niyang buhay dito, then I do pick up that this person here really live his or her life 'no, na talagang tama, okay. At nakikita rin natin dito that this person here marami siyang plano to prosper his or her life even bago pa kayo mag-meet or magkakilala. Sa iba, kung hindi mo pa 'to nakikilala, makikilala mo siya sa isang kasiyahan or dito sa isa 'no, na pagtitipon or ganap or kahit simpleng kita-kita lang 'no, kape or, kain 'no, together with friends 'no, dahil makikilala mo talaga ito sa pamamagitan ng isa sa mga taong kilala mo na. Yung iba maaaring hindi mo naman ka-close sa iyong life pero kilala mo na kung sino yung kilala rin niya, okay. You have common individuals that you both know already. So, matagal nang nag-e-exist yung gano'n. It's just that 'no, everything ay merong perfect timing. So, yung perfect timing or tinatawag ng iba na divine timing ay nangyayari na ngayon sa iba sa inyo, sa iba nangyari na or nagsisimula na ngayon, sa iba ay mangyayari pa lang, kaya naman just take only what resonates. But this person is also someone who's artistic. Actually, like yung iba, marunong at magaling talaga sa mga arts, like paintings, pwede rin naman, no, sa hindi lang about drawings or sketching, no, talagang creative yung hands. Kaya niya ritong gumawa ng chair, no, yung parang sculpting, pwede rin carpentry, kaya niya rin yan, no. So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to 'no, this person, ang pinakagusto niya rito 'no, ay hindi iasa sa iba yung kaya niya namang gawin. This person here ay maabilidad 'no, kung kaya niyang gawin din siya yung gagawa. Like let's say 'no, may sirang, ilaw 'no, kung kaya niya namang gawin siya na hindi na siya magtatawag dito ng, electrician or kung sinong may kayang gumawa nun, gano'n. Okay? So whoever this energy is, I do pick up that this is someone here no, na involves sa'yo. Okay? Because this person is not just a guest in your life, but someone who is meant to stay sa iyong buhay. Four of Cups energy, I'm seeing you making a decision na piliin ng taong ito makasama sa iyong habang buhay. And I'm seeing you in the distant future that you will not have any even little regret na pinili mo ang taong ito. Okay? So I do pick up that whoever this energy is, you will be forever grateful just because this person came into your life. Because it changes your entire world. Wow. I do pick up that this person here will give you a lot of emotional stability. And this person right in here will be very faithful sa kanyang love for you. And nakita ko dito that male, every day, this person here will show you how special you are and you will be happy. And kahit na magtanong ng 1,000 mga dahilan kung ba't mo siya magustuhan, marami at lalampas pa dun yung mga dahilan na kung bakit mo siya gusto. And you will be so happy na ikwento ang inyong love story sa iba. Oh, wow! Yeah, definitely this person really exists. Okay? Nag-i-exist ng mga babes, no? Kagaya ng pag-exist ng mga manloloko sa mundo. Nag-i-exist din yung mga taong tapat at totoo sa kanila ritong mga hangarin ang kanilang mga puso. Yan. And you've got one here, okay? Someone that who wants to spend the rest of his or her life with you. Someone who is not a jerk. Someone who is not someone na lulukohin kayo, pagsisinungalingan kayo dito, like, hindi siya yung ganong klase ng person. Okay? So, whoever this energy is, I do pick up, no, na napalaki siya dito ng maayos ng kanyang mother or ng kanya rito family na pinanggalingan, no, ay talagang very loving family. At nakikita ko rito na yung iba pa nga sa kanila rito, no, ay nakita nila, no, yung love ng kanilang parents dito, no, na nag-grow, no, at kahit matanda na yung mga parents nila, no, parehas pa rin na love yung each other. So that's also one of the clues that I'm seeing, no? If this person right in here talks about his or her own family, and I do pick up na marami siya ritong problema pero ang mga maganda, hindi niya rito dinidibdib yon, kundi hermit energy. Nagfo-focus siya sa solusyon, paano yun masosolusyonan, kesa mag-focus sa problem itself, right? So yung problem andyan na nga, 'di ba? Huwag na nating isipin yung problema, ang isipin ay ang solusyon. Ganun siyang klase ng tao. And this person values every penny. Even though I'm saying that this person here ay successful sa kanyang money, may ipon siya rito, no? And this person right in here, hindi siya actually yung may honor no nag-aaral siya or with academics or whatever, no? But this person is definitely smart. Yeah, intelligent, especially when it comes to money matters. Okay? So nakita natin dito that you have one responsible woman in your life, one responsible man right here. Latin gender, LGBTQ supporters, welcome din kayo. But this person is someone who happens to be your, not just your guest, but your other half right here. Okay? You will not feel complete without this person here. I'm saying, no, I'm telling you guys, you will not be complete up until this person came into your life. Yeah, wow. So, for the initials written here, capital letter M, capital letter C, capital letter A, capital letter L, capital letter D. We also have here other letters but might not be capital. We have here N, O, Q, Y. I don't know if that's G na maliit or 9 because it's in cursive na naman. Just take only what resonates here, guys. We also have here C and Z. And last but not the least, we have the letter I. So yeah, these are all the messages got right here for you guys. Again, I'm your Yana. I'm me for the girls and Yana do now for the boys. Sarang ngayon love and light. Annyeong.